Hey, I'm Gordon from Black Dog Speed Shop here at McCann Car Show. Here we got our '69 Chevy Camaro. This Chevy Camaro is equipped with a LS3 punched out and stroked to 510 cubic inches. It makes 914 rear wheel horsepower, 757 foot-pounds of torque. It's also sitting on a Detroit Speed engineering front clip. It's got Coney coilovers on it. It's got some one-piece forged black chrome wheels, 14-inch Brembo brakes, and a T56 speed, 5-speed transmission. This is the owner's car, but we have this as a package available to purchase. If that's something you want to build, we can definitely build it. So the paint we have on here is an Axalta Candy Blue. It's also got a gunmetal gray as the stripes for the bumpers and the door trim as well. And this Axalta Candy Blue really pops, and it's a definite eye catcher. Definitely turns a lot of heads when it's on the road, and it looks great with the black chrome. No, sorry. So the interior on this, done by the Riggs brothers. This is inspired by a Ferrari. Actually, the dash is a Marquez dash. We also have a Dakota Digital dash in there for all our gauges and everything. That's the Dakota Digital Dash right there. Displays all our necessary engine information. So, thanks for checking out our '69 Camaro at the McCann Car Show. This is something we do every day. If you ever want to build something like this, definitely give us a call. We're a full custom race shop. We're a speed shop. We build custom high-performance cars all the time.
Behind us right now, you can see 2 or 3, 4 trophies. This shop has been around since about 2000. We are a professional race team. We're also a professional hot rod and muscle car builder. And we'll do anything from a modern car where we'll put a turbocharger on it or a supercharger or something like that. And you'll see that when we go in back to a, an old Camaro. We'll even go back to like a 32 Ford. And then underneath the hood, the customer decided that, he needed more power. Well, it's pretty rare to see a Denali with a supercharger.
A supercharger?
That's a supercharger. That's a Magnuson supercharger. And they can come here and ask us anything, and we'll take care of them.
Now, I can see why Black Dog Speed Shop is the place to go.
Well, yeah, if we got technicians that can build this and win championships, imagine what we can build for the street. And believe me, our customers, when they leave here, are on cloud nine.
Now, Mike, what is this beauty right behind us? Please do tell.
I'm not going to tell you. It's just not going to happen. No, really, in all seriousness, this is a beautiful car. It's a '68 Camaro, and it's absolutely spectacular. Massive LS power with an automatic transmission behind it. Anybody can drive it and enjoy it. And it's sheer pleasure to drive.
Now, can we see the engine of the car?
No, you can't. Well, come on, let's go. Of course you can.
Oh, nice.
This has got the fast LSXR system on it. It's got brand new LS valve covers that we put on that absolutely beautiful, fully powder coated. This car is gonna scream.
I see we have another beautiful car right over here.
Yeah, this is a 65 Malibu convertible. We had picked this car up recently. We're taking out the motor. We're going to go through everything. We're going to go through this whole car from top to bottom. So once we get this thing sorted out, it's going to be probably a 500 horsepower convertible that's fully adjustable, and that'd be a blast to drive. I mean, the new technology that's available today is phenomenal. And up here in Lincolnshire, Illinois, Black Dog Speed Shop has got a handle on all the modern stuff, and that's why these customers show up here.
So we're here with Ray from Black Dog Speed Shop. Now, what's your favorite part of it? Is it the traveling, the winning, the racing?
I think the best part of it is when you put a team together and you put a car together and you race against other people and you're able to to win championships and to win races and do those kind of things with a group of people and a whole team. As you've put it all together, I think is really quite an accomplishment. So I do like that part.